maintaining.
Yeah, that's
Right.
what we're talking about too. That's a good source.
Now, the last time I demoed down at Perry in the State Fair, and I demoed by accident. And I say that because we went down there, my mom was spinning, and I heard there was a blacksmith there. So I went to go visit, and the blacksmith happened to be Trent's High. You're familiar with the show, he was on in, I think, season 2. And I talked to him, I told him I was a blacksmith, I told him my mentor was Doc Watson, who happened to be a friend of his. So he told me, come back and watch my show later, I think you'll enjoy it. So, you know, I was bored, I was like, let me go check out this guy's show. I went and sat down in the crowd, and he pointed me out and said, hey, you're not sitting down, get up here and work. So I got up there in front of about 50 people. Not really, this is when I was first starting out too. He was asking me questions, and he demoed a spoon. And I'll do a spoon later, but that's where I stole that demo from.
Like sit in a chair.
It's very therapeutic.
What's going on?
Hey, I know you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good to see you.
Yeah, me too.
What's up, same to you?
Yeah.
You enjoying yourself?
I use fire props.
Yeah.
Pakistan. So
I gotta drive it.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure I'm not.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. Yeah, they did. They need to come to the party. I wish they came to the party at daytime, get the receivers about it. Oh, you know, I'll take part. They eating something, you know what I'm saying? So I'll take it. I wonder how much damage we doing all the noise we make when I hear the music. You know, they work like echo location.
I just knew I was going to be here.
What's going on?
Honestly, like I said, I can just sit myself down right here.
I don't know if we'll get it this time. It's a little long. It's a little long on this one. So we're gonna do another one.
So, like, what would you use that nail? What would you use that nail with?
Any and everything. So you can actually date certain houses by the style nail they got. So if you go in a house and you see these square cut nail, it's got like a rosebud pattern on it. It's about 1800s. There's also square cut nails that are just smooth. Then you got round cut nails. And as you turn into round head nails, that's moving towards like 1900s because the Industrial Revolution. And when they started making nail cut machines, that's on a wire. It pulls a wire out, it chops it, and it makes 1,000 nails a minute. Now, as you can imagine, a kid doing a nail, one nail a minute versus 1,000 a minute, kind of pushed the blacksmith out of business. All right, we're gonna do another one. Let me see if I can get it right.